This little bird is injured. Wing on the other side is drooping down, so I don't want to get hold of it in case it'll cause pain. Can you see the wing there? It's hanging down low. So I'll just throw some food down, and I don't know what I can do really. She can fly, or he can fly a little bit, but not very much. Do more walking about than flying.